Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change DPI setting in Galaxy A06 device. So guys, if you want to set or change this DPI settings, all you guys have to do is just go to settings and all you guys have to do just go to developer option. And if you don't have developer option here, so just go to about phone and then click to software information. After that guys, just click build number on 7 times. So click 7 times on a build number so that you can become a developer. Now go back and then come to developer option. After that guys, just scroll down and we have an option of smallest width here or minimum width here. Just set it up like the number. As you see, the DPI setting is now changed. If you want the larger DPI, so you can set it to 200. Make sure the smallest the number, the larger the DPI setting, and the larger the number, small is the size. So that's how we can set the DPI setting in Galaxy A06 device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.